Star Distributors Inc. That's right. You get the Captain Lawrence. There's a lot of drunk people out there. You gotta give them the beer quickly. Quickly.
$1,000 worth of debt in just 6 months because I only found you 6 months ago.
Fantastic. I am very impressed with you. And what is
Red
your
light
household
runner.
income right now?
I swear to God. Well, first of all, I looked up. I was in Mississippi, so we were on our way down to New Orleans. We were going to the
What?
LSU
That's double
Clemson
line.
game.
What the hell?
Championship game. Not to brag, I was there. And that's simplysafe.com/Bill Burt.
Red light runner. That was good.
24/7 and live with you guys. I raised kids the old school way. Me, Leanne, waking up in the middle of the night, just us. And
I'm gonna walk in the middle of the street and not give a crap about anything. Street and not give a crap about anything.
Who the light turns green and they're still sitting there at the fucking light and you beep at them, beep and beep and beep, and they sort of creep the fuck out there.
Oh.
These fucking idiots on the highway who pass on the right doing 90 miles an hour. Like it's an epidemic fucking problem out here.
Come on. Nope.
So that in 300 years you can go back and play the tape of me saying no.
Wait,
As
Lexus
you whip by me,
douchebag.
so to speak.
Well, not douchebag.
We gotta take a
but
break. When we come
poor
back, more
planning
Cosmic
equals
Queries.
piss poor productions.
FedEx. It's amazing. They're amazing, I'm telling you. Always on time.
Really?
So what you need is a FedEx that can deliver backwards in time.
Exactly.
You know, I needed to get this there yesterday.
Red light runner and no one with. Nope.
And it was just, and I just, let's go. Yeah. Like this is what you're made for. Let's go.
Wow.
That's what it's like.
That's what you're made for.
The guy working for me 100 years ago. I mean, he was making $32,000 a year, and he learned back in those days. He learned cold fusion.
You can go now.
Now we don't even use that. We
You can go now.
Other languages are more advanced than cold fusion.
You could have went. Sorry.
You know, he got a guy offering him.
Red.
Believe someone would do this. I mean, I'll tell you what, I would never do it. If you're looking for people, it wouldn't be me.
It's like the criminal joining the vigilante.
Yes.
It's an old trick, absolutely.
Well, cops always say that when someone's an arsonist, they're almost always at the scene of the crime.
Yeah.
They always show up to watch the hand.
Well, I'm going to think about this more then, because I mean, you're sort of putting into my mind now deciding that there's a lot of the work people are doing it.
What was that guy
doing?
doing?
Well, they're
Like a self-regulation kind of.
They're like flying around people.
It begins.
Yeah.
But see, they do that in the South. With
Yep, that Nissan drivers.
Little store. You think this is a hell of a lot more than that, I'm presuming.
Wow.
Well,
Lexus.
I think we're pretty good, Michael. I think.
because you're riding along in the car listening. If you already know the answers to the questions, but you're listening just because people are entertaining,
Nope.
and the show is entertaining in that regard, you like.
Less than a year old, but it's been very successful. But we just.
Oh, that guy going through the bullnose up there.
So he glommed onto them, and then
Glommed on?
Buddies,
Really?
but Kevin and I would hang out.
Because Scion or because Toyota.
I wish. I'm like, no.
Like Johnny Depp in Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, it's real bad. The best is when.
Whoa, what the hell's that?
I had to put fucking
and
I say this is a compliment.
I mean,
It
it's
sounds like a
unbelievable.
compliment, but what it is it's-
Naughty. Oh no, and you're
gorilla
gonna.
if you don't want to talk about
is he
something.
gonna? Yeah, he's going. He's going.
I think
Sheesh.
the audience might catch on. Listen, I didn't have anything going in high school. One girl.
And that guy up there too. Yep, there he goes. Loomis, we keep your money safe by ramming other drivers off the road. Really? KLB Sons.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Okay, 2 in a row.
Go to the events and stuff,
Dude,
and I
if
was
you
just
have a
locked
popular
in.
YouTube channel, you can do that. And bonus, no boss.
Yeah, no
Really?
boss. That's what I had to learn. I had to learn to be my own boss at the end of the year.
That's right here. You're on the show.
Wait, someone's walking.
I think it depends on how the season turns out. Suppose the Astros are able to put
Red light runner.
wear it.
Why are you stopping? Yeah, we're just gonna roll right through the stop sign. Yeah, stop signs are optional in Torrington, aren't they? Aren't they?
No way, Jose.
You're no fun.
Jim, sign stealing is a distinct advantage for the hitter. So how is it that it doesn't?
They just
affect
run right
competition?
through.
So then what are you guys apologizing for?
Accept the flyer, and they tell the company that they heard about their business through the flyer.
Oh no!
We get a commission
Mini pooper.
of that flyer.
It always happens here.
So the commission
It's because the
for-
light, the
for
timing of
me
these lights.
This is, I hate to say this, one of the best Thanksgivings I ever had was the last Thanksgiving I was single. And
I don't even think they make signs.
actually
No, that's a
hung out with
Nissan
this
Cube.
uncommon-
Red light runner.
You're gonna be going to fucking, Saskatchewan over the holidays.
Red light runner. Nissan drivers.
Yeah.
This is one of those people that failed at coloring books. Okay, the van I drive is a lot bigger. You don't need that much. See?
I think you start to take steps, make some sacrifices, look for ways to bring in some additional income, look for ways to cut out the unnecessary inside of your budget.
Really?
Right now.
Well, by the way, so before you take
I
off
forget
on
Jimmy
me,
Butler.
I forget Jimmy Butler. I love this. Just walked right up to tampering without doing it.
That is tampering.
It's not tampering. That's tampering. No, it's not.
Stand up for themselves, but they're also putting some boundaries in place because they have intentions about what it is they want to accomplish. So I think that is relative to us as we start to think about what are we doing? How are we
School
going
bus.
about it? What are we doing for ourselves? So I would reiterate with that deed in lieu of foreclosure that instead of filing a legal process and going through foreclosure and all of this, that she's willing to turn it over because